I'm making the favorite food of the 45 presidents of the United States of America. Beat election tension with food. Today we're talking about Calvin Coolidge and pork apple pie. Coolidge was the 30th president, serving the rest of Warren G. Harding's term and a full term from 1923 to 1929. Born in rural Vermont, Coolidge was known for his reserved demeanor, earning the nickname Silent Cal. He worked his way up from Massachusetts politics from city councilman to governor before becoming vice president under Harding. Coolidge assumed presidency in 1923 following Harding's death. His administration was marked by economic prosperity, with the 1920s often dubbed as the Roaring Twenties. He advocated for small government, low taxes, and minimal regulation, which fueled business growth and helped reduce national debt. However, his focus on business and laissez-faire policies had its downsides. Coolidge overlooked economic inequality and risky financial practices, which later helped trigger the Great Depression. He also signed the 1924 Immigration Act, known for its discriminatory quotas. Although his administration was marred by corruption, Coolidge himself was not directly involved. In 1928, he chose not to seek re-election, leaving office with mixed reviews. Calvin Coolidge's love for pork apple pies is likely attributed to his childhood memories and upbringing, as he has claimed he has never eaten anything as good as his mother's pork apple pies. The odd pairing of savory pork and sweet apples dates all the way back to medieval Europe and was a popular combination back then. When I first saw pork and apple pies, I have to admit I was pretty curious, since I'm a huge fan of sweet and savory. This may be an acquired taste. Although I didn't hate it, I also didn't love it, so I'm going to continue enjoying my pork and apple pie separately, so I guess it's an I don't know from me.